Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, that is the rule of double entry system or golden rules of accounting. For this, we will first understand what is an account. An account can be explained as a date wise summary of all the transactions relating to a person or a property or a gain or a loss. With respect to a person, there can be with respect to a person, there can be Ram account, Ram's account, Sham's account, Geeta's account, Sita's account. With respect to property, there can be land and building, plant and machinery, furniture. There can be various types of expenses, salary, rent, etc. Now, coming to the golden rules of accounting, these rules are applicable to each type of transaction, because all the transactions are of three categories only, whether they will belong to personal account or real account or nominal account, and these rules will be applicable to those transactions only. Now, what is a personal account? Personal account means the account of the person. That can be an artificial person, that can be a natural person, that can be a representative person. So a natural person means the accounts of the human beings, like Ram account, Sham's account, which are made of bones and flesh. Artificial person means those persons which are existing in the eyes of law only, like the company, like society, school, bank, etc. And with respect to the representative personal account, it means the account which is representing a person. For example, a salary has been outstanding by a company for last 6 months, so it is representing the employees to whom the salary is required to be paid. So salary outstanding is representing person, so it is referred to as representative personal account. The rule that is applicable to the personal account is debit the receiver and credit the giver. Next is a real account. Real account is of two types, that is tangible real account and intangible real account. So real account means the account which is related to the assets of the business. That can be tangible asset and that can be intangible asset. If an asset can be touched, can be felt, can be measured, it can be seen, then that asset is referred to as tangible asset, like land and building, plant and machinery, furniture. Intangible asset is that which cannot be seen, which cannot be touched, but we can feel, we can measure that very asset. Then that asset is referred to as intangible asset, like goodwill, patent rights, copyright, trademark. The rule applicable for the real account is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Now, coming to the nominal account, the nominal account is the account which is related to the expenses, incomes, gains, and losses. So the rule applicable to the nominal account is debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. So we are to debit all the expenses and losses. The expense can be rent, can be an expense, salary can be expense, rent paid, salary paid. There can be losses as well, like loss of stock by fire could be there. Uh, there can be other losses. Cash could be stolen by an employee. Um, Cash could be stolen by some thief as well. So there can be gains, there can be incomes as well, like interest received, rent received. If we have let out our property, then we can receive the rent as well. Moreover, there can be gains, like gain on the sale of plant and building, gain can be on the sale of furniture, gain can be there on the sale of investments. So the rule applicable for the nominal account is debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. So we can summarize that there are basically three types of account, that is real account, nominal account, and personal account. And the rule for the real account is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. For the personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. For the nominal account, debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. On whole of accountancy can be done on the basis of these three golden rules of accountancy only. I hope you have understood it. If you will have any problem, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.